Hi students, I wanted to show you how you can log into your textbook. We have this new system since we're doing distance learning that you can look at your textbook online, which might be a little bit easier for some of you. So I'm going to have this link for you, and it's going to be to TCI. You'll see up here, this is our textbook. This is our publisher of our textbook. And so you're going to go for the teacher email or username. You need to sign into this, and actually it's going to be Mr. Struck's email. So what that is, you're going to see strucje@hayfield.k12.mn.us. So you'll type in Mr. Struck's email. Then each of you is getting a student username. And most likely it's going to be your first initial last name. For some of you it's going to be your first two initials and then your last name, because I had a duplicate. So that would be the only difference, and I'll get those to you as well. And then your password, for now everybody is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very simple, and then you hit sign in. And so that's going to bring up, you're going to see, and you're going to come to what says History Alive. Here, I'm going to see if I can move this over just a hair for you. And your program content is going to come, all your textbooks are going to come up here. And so then you're going to scroll down. We are in chapter 14, I believe it is, Andrew Jackson and the Growth of American Democracy. You can just click on that. And so anytime you have reading that you need to do in your text, you certainly can. You'll see here it's going to tell you what lesson you're on or chapter, and here what section you're doing. So I'm just going to move this over again a little bit so you can see here. And so when I ask you to read section 1, this would be section 1, and you certainly can scroll down, excuse me, and then you can go to next section. If you keep going down, this is basically your interactive notebook just online. You do not have to do any of that on this. It'll all be in Teams. I'm really just showing you this particular note or online textbook so that you can read online if you need to. A little bit easier than the downloaded version copy of your textbook that you have. So then you can just go, when you're done reading this, you can go to next section, and then you'll see it'll tell you you're on section 2 now, and this one I actually have to scroll up. I don't know why I came down like that. So, and it'll be from the frontier to the White House. If I go all the way up, it'll still show me, hey, this is my text, chapter 14, section 2. Here's some nice little extra pieces as well. If you want to listen to this, actually, you can hit play. So I'll quickly do that so you can hear.
From the frontier to the White House, Andrew Jackson was born in 1767 on the South.
So that's an option for you as well. You can mark up, show highlights. You can save it to your Google Drive or download this and obviously print it. So again, when I'm asking you to read section 2, you can kind of go through, read section 2. And below, again, like I said, this is going to be your interactive notebook. Some of this is going to be your homework. You do not need to do it on here. Again, you'll have this in Teams. However, if you want to do it on here and do a snippet and send it back to me in Teams, that's fine as well. Again, you can hit next section here, or you can go to the top and hit next section up here as well when you have to read section 3 of the chapter. So I thought this just might be a little bit easier for you to manage. So again, I will send you a link in on our Teams website, and that will get you into TCI along with your username and your password. And remember, again, you have to enter Mr. Struck's email because this is originally just under him. I haven't changed any of that. Hope you're doing well. See you all. I don't know if it'll be real soon, but we'll talk real soon. Bye-bye, kiddos.